Hey everyone, it's a serious day today as we talk about Tropical Storm Debby, which has once again struck the United States, leaving devastation in its wake. The storm has been relentless, showing no mercy as it tears through communities. After making its second landfall, Debby has unleashed a torrent of destruction across North Carolina. The sheer force of the storm has left many areas unrecognizable. Tragically, at least 6 lives have been lost. Families are mourning their loved ones and communities are coming together to support each other in this difficult time. Among them, a man in Lucama who fell victim to one of the multiple tornadoes spawned by the storm. These tornadoes have been particularly devastating, tearing through homes and leaving a trail of destruction. These tornadoes have wreaked havoc not just in North Carolina but also across Florida and South Carolina. The widespread impact of these tornadoes has left many in shock and disbelief. In Bladenboro, North Carolina, severe flooding has overwhelmed the local infrastructure. Roads have turned into rivers and cars are submerged in water, making transportation nearly impossible. Heavy rainfall has led to significant property damage, making recovery efforts even more challenging. Residents are using boats to navigate the floodwaters, trying to salvage what they can from their homes. As Debby moves northeast, it's expected to weaken, but the danger isn't over yet. The storm's path continues to threaten more areas with heavy rain and strong winds. Heavy rains and flash flooding continue to pose a significant threat. The saturated ground cannot absorb any more water, leading to rapid and dangerous flooding. President Biden has issued disaster declarations for the affected states, and FEMA is prepared to step in with assistance. The federal response aims to provide immediate relief and support long-term recovery efforts. But there's more to this story. The storm's impact is far-reaching, affecting not just the immediate areas but also the broader region. The impact of Debby is exacerbated by extreme heat and the looming threat of a dam failure in Georgia. The combination of these factors creates a perfect storm of challenges for emergency responders. Experts are pointing to climate change as a major factor in Debby's rapid intensification over the warm Gulf waters. The changing climate is leading to more frequent and severe storms, making it crucial to address these underlying issues. The storm has also caused widespread disruptions. Grocery store shelves are empty, and businesses have been forced to close, adding to the economic strain on affected communities. The Washington Nationals, for instance, have rescheduled their game against the San Francisco Giants to an earlier time to avoid the worst of the storm. This decision reflects the broader impact of the storm on daily life and events. This is a wise move as the DC region braces for intense rain, potential flooding, and possible tornadoes. Residents are being urged to stay indoors and take necessary precautions. Debby initially made landfall in Florida as a Category 1 hurricane and has since caused significant damage across Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. The storm's path of destruction is extensive and far-reaching. The second landfall in South Carolina on Thursday morning resulted in at least 6 fatalities, mainly from traffic accidents and fallen trees. The storm's impact on transportation has been particularly severe, with many roads blocked and dangerous conditions prevailing. Authorities are urging everyone in the storm's path to take necessary precautions. Emergency alerts are being sent out, and people are boarding up windows and securing their homes. Secure loose objects, prepare for power outages, and avoid unnecessary travel. These steps are crucial to ensure safety and minimize damage during the storm. Now, even though Debby has downgraded from a Category 1 hurricane to a tropical storm, New York is preparing for its impact. The city is bracing for heavy rain and potential flooding. The lower Hudson Valley has already seen heavy rainfall, causing minor damage and raising concerns about major flooding and property damage in river towns. The community is on high alert, preparing for the worst. With the storm's path shifting slightly westward, New York metro areas are still expected to receive significant rainfall, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. The forecast indicates that the region should remain vigilant. Severe thunderstorms and the possibility of flash flooding are anticipated on Friday. Residents are being advised to stay indoors and avoid travel during these dangerous conditions. Officials are advising residents to prepare for potential power outages and avoid unnecessary travel, especially in flood-prone areas. The risk of downed power lines and other hazards is high. As Debby's remnants continue to bring rain through Saturday, there is a glimmer of hope with sunny weather expected on Sunday. The community is looking forward to a break from the storm and a chance to begin recovery efforts, but for now, the focus remains on staying safe and being prepared. Emergency responders are on standby, ready to assist those in need. That's the latest on Tropical Storm Debby. The situation is still developing, and we will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available. Stay informed, stay safe, and check your local advisories for the most up-to-date information. It's crucial to stay connected and aware of the latest developments. Thanks for watching and take care. Remember, we are all in this together. And by supporting each other, we can get through this challenging time.